Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.
Hello, dear friends. Since some of the publishing companies don't want us to post videos of their read aloud books, we had to create a new Little Angel Reader YouTube channel. And we decided to write our own children's stories and post them here. We will also create and post read aloud books for those writers who give us their written permission or personally ask us to read their books aloud on YouTube. You can find our old videos only on Dailymotion now. I am a professional English teacher for foreign students with more than 20 years of experience, a philologist and a translator. I work as a private English teacher, and I also run a YouTube channel which is called Little Angel Reader. I already published several books on Amazon. You can find and buy them there. My books can be used as picture books and also as unusual readers. I love writing children's short stories using different illustration styles. Black and white pictures, colorful pictures, flannelgraph pictures, and real-life photos. English learners will enjoy reading my books as well because they're written in a simple way. At the end of each book, there are follow-up exercises to develop and improve readers' thinking, listening, reading, and speaking skills. Lately, I have been asked to make English video lessons for one Russian company called Stigis, and also to write lesson plans based on children's books for one Chinese company. Here is my email address if you want to get in touch with me: littleangelreader@gmail.com. I forgot to tell you that I'm also a wife and a mother of two talented children, Angelina and Max. Boo!
Boo!
Boo! Boo! We love you guys. Mwah.
We love you guys.
You guys are so smart.
Yes, you are.
Have fun reading and learning with us. If you like my books and the way I read books aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.